Want to make an ad for my first client on Google Ads account. Okay. And on the ad is my address visible instead of my clients. Can I change this, or what do I have to do to fix this? Okay, I think what you have done is you have used your Google Ads account, which is linked to, which has got a location extension linked to your Google My Business, and that's why your address is being shown on the ad. You shouldn't do that. You need to run the client account or client Google Ads from their account and not from your own. If you are running it from your own, then you need to unlink the Google My Business. You will need to get rid of all the negative keywords which you may have applicable for your account. In fact, don't do that. Honestly, it's going to be a complete mess. Every account or every client should have their own account, separate account, because you have different extensions, call extensions, site links, which may be set up at account level. And if you try and run different accounts, first of all, you shouldn't be doing that. It's just going to be a right old mess. Make a separate account, and that is going to fix this problem.